Hey everybody, Mr. Cameron here with Mr. Bogiano from West Maple. We're here to show you a warm-up called the Partner Rally Warm-Up. And we're going to demonstrate it with 3 different pieces of equipment. One that's a little bit easier, one that's in the middle or the medium, and one that's a little bit harder. But what you are going to need is you are going to need some equipment. The first thing you're probably going to want to do is set up some kind of net. Now, what we did is we used 2 chairs, a hockey stick, and a parachute. Now, you might not have everything that we have, but a lot of you have 2 chairs. You can use a broom or a mop or something that has a sturdy handle on it, and then you can use a towel or a blanket or something to put over to create a net or a barrier in between you and your partner, okay? Now, the other thing you're gonna need is a racket. Now, we've probably talked about this in PE, that if you don't have a perfect racket like we have, you could do this game with your hand, or you can use a homemade racket, which we will talk about in class, how you can create or make one of those, okay? So the 3 different levels that we're gonna be using is level 1, the easiest level or the slowest level is going to be a balloon. The medium or middle level is going to be a beach ball, and then the hardest level is going to be the sock ball. And the reason it's the hardest level is because the sock ball is going to travel a little bit faster than the balloon and the beach ball, okay? So for this warm-up, you are working with a partner. You're not working against them, you're working with your partner. So Mr. Bogiano is going to be on that side of the net, I'm going to be on this side of the net, and we're going to see how many times in a row we can hit this balloon back and forth without the balloon touching the ground, okay? So let's give it a shot and see how it goes. Alright, so if I start with the balloon, I'm going to start with an underhand serve over the net. You can count and see how many times you and your partner tap the object back and forth. If the balloon touches the ground, that's your score. You can pick it up and start again. But this time, I'm going to demonstrate with Mr. Bogiano with the beach ball to show you how it goes a little bit faster than the balloon. A modification that you can do with the beach ball is you can say it is okay for the beach ball to bounce 1 time on the ground and still return it to your partner. So that's up to you if you want to do that, all right? And finally, we'll demonstrate this with the sock ball. Now, the sock ball is going to be the most difficult because it's going to travel the fastest. So, you do the sock ball, be careful. There you go. Remember, for the warm-up, you are working with your partner, seeing how many times you can keep the balloon, the beach ball, or the sock ball alive. All right? Thank you.